Hi, I'm Storyman Mark Kater. Welcome to my channel, Senior Moves. It's my hope you'll find this channel encouraging. You'll find that this channel will help you to learn how to not be afraid as you move through life and learn how to age gracefully. So we're going to play, we're going to sweat, we're going to breathe, all with that single purpose for each of us. No matter who you are, how old you are, whether or not you are sitting in a wheelchair, whether or not you walk with a cane or a walker, it doesn't matter. Learning to move and expand your vocabulary in life, you'll find, is very rewarding and very helpful. And we'll do it with simple movement patterns to get you out, to get you about, to get you living a fuller life. We're going to start with breathing is free. We're going to work on back pain, because I know there might be a couple of you out there that have a bad back. And the secret of your feet. You know, they're way down there. Do you even know where they're at? There they are, right there. There's a foot. So you can see I'm moving Tai Chi-esque as you shift weight, which you'll learn in core trucking. Again, breathing, being, and we'll meditate to radiate. Going back to our breath. And that's just the start. The lessons will be short, sweet, and to the point, but not rushed at all. So, if you think that you want to join in, which I certainly hope you do, make sure you click the like button. Subscribe and ring that bell so you get notifications and you don't miss a single opportunity to grow and express yourself by aging gracefully. I'm Storyman Mark Kater. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope all of your stories are joyous. May you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.